What is wrong with this car? I think I'll have to change this car because this is too much. Ooh.
Hello, say, your star boy is going to the studio. And what's wrong with that car? Hello, sis.
I don't know what's wrong with the car.
I was waiting for you to give me a lift. We go studio.
You will have to come help me.
Sure. We then go pick it up. We get some track. We are the one go record plus Okay. I'm in a hurry though, but like I think I have some ideas, some little knowledge, about cars.
Because I just came out.
Okay.
Though I think the battery is active.
Since I have this new track coming, with the coffee creators, I would love you to, to stream and support and.
How does that?
I'll do it. It's because of my drip. Anytime I want to put it, Okay, so let's do this right now. Okay. Is the battery okay? Is it?
I told you the battery.
Okay. The battery is healthy, So it must be the synchronizer. See the synchronizer. The synchronizer they push to start. It have some, little.
Wait, are you sure you can do this?
I can fix it.
I
can fix it. So simple. Trust me. I don't mind. Let me take off this, and take my glasses and,
Let me help you. You can.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, please, position yourself for me. Okay. Okay. The injectors are, I think, it's getting weak, so we. The injectors. So, let me check the oil too. Okay.
It's too hot.
Yeah, it's too hot. So I think I need to go down right now and then check there's something like under the car that is called remix. If the remix get weak, sometimes the car too can spark. It can start to. Yeah, so let me check the remix too.
Okay.
Please let me use my my Durac
Okay.
Yeah, to well the car in the factor you most often give me like so. I didn't know
That's true.
Yeah. Okay. I said the roomies are getting weak.
Oh. How is that even possible? Because I don't really use this on rough roads and all that, so I don't know why.
Yeah, I know, but okay.
Is everything okay down there?
Yeah, please try to hold this for me. Try to hold the head of the the tank. Yeah, so that I can get the one of the air to elevate and adjust. Let's do this right now. What?
It's going to help.
It's going to help me under here because I want to lose something. So you holding it for me like it's going to lose.
Okay. Let me touch you.
Yeah, hold it. Keep on holding it. Let me position myself. Keep on holding it. Let me position myself here. I will fix it here because I think it's under here. Good. This work is something else. I'm very 2 years when I'm here and I'm doing music.
Hey, don't spoil my car for me.
I'm not going to spoil. Trust me.
Am I holding it well?
Good. Yes, I'm using this gradually.
What are you doing on the floor?
Okay, what am I doing? I was losing something.
What are you doing on the floor?
Sorry, madam.
Like seriously?
Like that.
Were you peeping through somewhere?
Now she was holding, the tank of the listening for the boat to, the sort for me to lose it. So once she was holding
this man, you just rented an apartment here.
I'm a musician, please. I'm like upcoming, underground artist.
Are you sure you're a real musician?
Yeah.
Because what you just did is like disgusting. What did you do?
I was helping, once I was helping you
I'm
to
sure
lose.
yes, I know you were slapping him.
So like, you know, as
He
I
was lying down as if he's helping you do something. Whilst looking at your, you know,
it's
your
never
thighs.
true. Madam, you can't
Your
just
private
lie.
part.
Just like that, you know.
Halfway.
Sis, so
My friend, get out from this side and go. Ah!
I thought you
Me
said
don't
you
know.
learned this work 2 years ago.
What's wrong with you?
Madam, see, sometimes I can say the truth here.
Hey, yo,
I
what's
can fix the
problem?
car though, but
I woke up this morning. If you touch me again, I'll slap the hell out of you. I woke up this morning. I was going out, so I decided to spark the car and it wasn't sparking. But then it looks like the battery is helping too.
the battery is healthy.
Yeah, it's active.
Madam, I can also help you.
I don't know if it's overheating
If you
or
can help me fix it, if only you give me the chance to. Hey, good. Madam, you hold the outside for me. Trust me, I'm going to fix it right now.
This guy.
Hey, get away from my car. Are you okay?
Slap you.
Madam, not that. You know something? See, can't any of for you, what you say? And say, I say, I'm into your hands, some day, repair.
Help me with the key.
My dear, please, you just be there. I'll fix it right now.
Oh,
So-
did you? You want to do what you did to my sister to me?
No, please, no.
If you don't take your...
Interest
Yo,
rate,
let me
interest
just
rate.
try and see if it's going to come.
Interest rate, say, interest rate. But can't any for car, what you say? It's my
I forget the hell out of
Don't
it.
come close to me.
I should clear up
Keep her this
distance from you, Ampa. Okay. At this one. I said, hey. Wait.
What could be the problem?
I don't know if it's overheating or something. Because you can feel how the temperature, it's so hot.
Where are you going? Where do you want to go? See, so what we were saying, you've come to sit down here and you're doing this. Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Get out. See, henceforth, please don't come and join our car again.
Okay.
We're not going to pick you up anymore.
Madam,
My friend, get out with that your Valentine
I'm
dress.
going
I'm
to-
going to spark it again and then you try and
Sorry.
hold this
Get
side
out with
for
your
me.
Valentine
dress. I'm coming in. Madam, please do something. I want to say something right now. Am I permitted?
I'm not interested.
Aha! So hold it,
Are you okay?
Jesus!